Hi everybody, this is Valerie Kelly, and today I'm going to do a unboxing from my sample swap shop group for our spring awakening shop that we did. And today I got the package and I was so excited. Always puts a good ending to my work day, so this is really cool. Here's the package that I got. And I really like that my swap sister used a flat mail, priority mail, $5 bubble mailer, because I really have good use for these. I use them all the time, actually. Every time I get a package like this, I save the wrapper and I reuse it. So, okay. I'm going to go ahead and take this out and go ahead and reveal my swap sister. It was Zelma, and it's so funny that I got a package from her just because earlier in the month we had kind of had this joke going on that it would be so funny if we happened to get each other as swap partners. So, and it's funny because I got her, or she got me, I should say. She picked my number and I picked somebody else, and we were actually the only people, I believe, that had our boxes ready to go before this swap started. So this is really cool. I was so excited to get this package so fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Let's see, this is the card. I usually never have patience to wait on opening my boxes. So this is the card, so cute. And this is Target box. It's kind of funny because I've been thinking about subscribing to Target Beauty Box. Nice big box. I'll go ahead and open it. Ooh, so cool. It's kind of funny. This is really kind of cool because Zelma and I seem to package our packages exactly the same. My swap sister actually got a box very similar to this. I also reuse my Allure box and my Birch box. So I always save them, and even though I have a bunch of them, they always come in handy. So here we go. It's a cute blue Ulta eyeshadow. This is very cute. Perfect for summertime, actually. And a bodybuilder structural thickening cream. Looks like this is a hair cream. It's really cool because I always need hair cream. My hair is really frizzy, especially in the morning, so this will come in handy. And the Professional Acne Gel by Benefit. I've seen this before, and I always could use these because I always seem to have breakouts right around here and right around here, so this is always useful. Okay. What else is in here? Say Lux, and oh, it's a lip color in green. Wow. This is cool. It's like a natural lip tint. See right there, it's green, but the color actually changes to your natural lip skin tone. That's pretty cool. Reacts instantly with your lips and lasts for 12 hours. Very cool. Okay. And a moisturizer for straight controlled locks. Yes, this is always useful. My hair is so curly and frizzy. These are always useful. Ooh, Super Shock Cheek Color Pop. looks like eyeshadow, but I guess it's for cheeks. It's a color pop. Cool. And a iPad makeup removers by Ulta. These are pretty cool. Always use these. And Young Lips Plumper. Ooh, cool, lip plumpers. I haven't had these in a while. These are always cool too. See the lip plumper. And a lipstick by J Cat Beauty. Actually, I've gotten something like this in my Tom box. See, it's a neutral color. Kind of like that. And a Lord & Berry lipstick crayon. I've seen these before. These are pretty cool. I love lipstick crayons. Nice and moisturizing. And a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil. There it is. And a winter unisex fragrance, huh? That's pretty cool. And we have a Pop Beauty eyeshadow duo. It looks like it is a light gold and true bronze. That's cool. Ooh, I actually could use some of these. These always come in handy. And hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer wipes. Hand sanitizer wipes are always useful because unlike the hand sanitizer gel, the wipes make your hands feel, not sticky. So you don't have that residue when you use a wipe. You needed more brushes. Thank you. Here's a brush. These are cool. And a waterproof eyeliner pen. I always could use these. I use these a lot. Waterproof eyeliner. Perfect size too. Cool. Thank you. And this is a Rimmel lip liner. I think. Yep. Lip liner pencil. And this is in Indian pink, which is perfect because it goes with everything. Ooh, a contouring blush and a bronzing powder by e.l.f. That's really cool. Comes in handy in a duo. It's useful. And we have a Cherry Kiss lip pencil. Kind of see it's a little bit darker, so it goes with some of the darker shades of lipstick like red and stuff. That's pretty cool. Actually, didn't show you the color of this. This one is Indian pink. That's pretty cool. And I apologize for the lighting malfunction. I just had my light bulb changed. The light wasn't working, so apologize if it's not too clear in the video. So here is some of the items again. This was the eyeshadow. And ow. Look at everything. Thank you so much. This is really cool. So much stuff. You really outdid yourself, Zelma. This is so cool. Thank you. So cool. Can't wait to try everything. And here we go. Let's put it all back in the box. So here's kind of a peek at everything here. Here it is. See, it has everything I got. Wow, that is so cool. I can't wait to try everything. Thank you so much again, and I'm so glad that you got me. Oh, wow, so cool. I wasn't sure when to expect my package since the deadline wasn't until the 4th, but I'm so glad that I got these. I'm very excited to try everything. So thanks again, everybody, and until next time. Bye.